The importance of Churna is inevitable in Ayurveda practice. Churna offers multiple action in various therapeutic areas. Churna are absolute dry powder of each of the herbs, which are finely ground and passed through the mesh to maintain fineness. Then they are mixed in appropriate quantity and packed. Presenting Zandu's Churna range. Quality of Churna is determined by the following 5 parameters. Fineness of powder. It is important for rapid absorption and optimal bioavailability. Microbial content. It is important for patient safety, especially for immune-compromised and elderly patients. Contaminant. They are important to prevent side effects. Percentage of heavy metals, aflatoxins, pesticide residue in Zandu Churna are well within API specified limit. Quality parameters. They ensure high-quality products with batch-to-batch consistency. Packaging material. Food-grade packing material is used for long-term storage that prevents contamination and moisture. Zandu's Churna range meets all the recommended Shastrokt and API parameters. Fineness of powder. Fineness of Churna range play an important role in rapid absorption and optimal bioavailability. You can see from this chart, Zandu Churna range have least particle size in comparison to the competitors as they are passed through appropriate sieve mesh as per API guidelines. Fineness of Zandu Churna is maximum among the competitors for faster onset of action and better bioavailability. Microbial content. The microbial content of Churna range plays important role for the safety. Zandu Churna range have least microbial content as they pass through stringent microbial control process. As you can see from this chart, microbial load of Zandu Churna range is well within the permissible limits compared to others. Safety parameters. Absence of heavy metals, aflatoxin, pesticide residue improves the safety of Churna. The contamination should be well within the permissible limit as defined by API. As you can see from this chart, microbial load, aflatoxins, and pesticide residue are well within the permissible limit, reducing the side effects. Quality parameters. Important quality parameters are checked to maintain quality of Churna like raw material, packaging material, in-process and finished product. Zandu Churna passes through more than 300 quality parameters during manufacturing. Zandu Churna are made in WHO GMP certified facility. They are standardized for batch-to-batch consistency and measured by HPTLC. Packaging material. Zandu Churna are packed in thermodynamically stable, robust and tamper-evident sealed food-grade HDPE container. This prevents catching of moisture, contamination and growth of microbes, preserving the quality of products for long-term storage and usage. As you can see, Zandu's Churna range meets all the important parameters as shown in this video. Zandu's Sitopaladi Churna. Mahasudarshan Churna. Hingavashtak Churna. Swadisht Virechan Churna and all other Churna range.